Nigerians don't all say they go change am give Ãttâck chairman if they see am for road. Some say they go use okpiri, you know okpiri, big okpiri. Say they go use big okpiri take give am cocoa for head. Some say if they see am for road, they can't punch where they go give am. Hey, that's this Ãttâck chairman. God go save you. May you no enter this area because they go give you blue and black as if they red. Eh? They said they get Ãttâck chairman one-on-one for road, for anywhere. He said the man don't enter for wahala because he go carry old man, can't give them as a president. Hey, now I said he don't read though. Should they say anybody will talk about Tinubu, that person go face the law. He don't read. I'm going to play this video now. May you watch out for the street so that you see how people take the talk waiting they go do Ãttâck chairman. If they get a one-on-one for inside street, oh, I beg. Remember, say you still there for Officer Justice Day. Share and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Okay, my people, I'm going to play the video right now and watch out. So I will come back, continue.
Then, if you meet Ãttâck chairman and say you catch him for one lungu, what you go do?
No, if I catch that man, I go squander the man. No, I go scrub him. Yes, I go
scrub him.
I go scrub the man. I go even the man self. I not be only scrub himself. I go drill him. I go drill him.
What do you say you go do Ãttâck chairman if you catch him for street?
I go bust bottle, stab him for neck, stab him for neck, stab him for back, all over the body so that he no go feel sleep well. Because he not carry our country, go inside where go keep him. How old man, where my papa they young pass, they come they rule us. What do they have to teach us?
So you are saying that you are not happy with the result of the presidential election?
I'm not happy, sir.
Did you vote?
Yes, I vote.
Who did you vote for, sir?
I vote for OP, young man that can deliver us for the bondage because the youth don't suffer it well. And even the former president Obasanjo noticed that the youth has suffered enough. So he come to say let justice to be.
You must not catch Ãttâck chairman for street.
Hey, I must because one very good day I feel they go jam him. If I don't get opportunity to reach him, I go bust bottle stone him.
Thank you. If you meet that Ãttâck chairman Yakubu for one corner now, what do you go do?
About me and if I see I seen the passport, me I put up for him body as well.
What do you go put for?
I tell my men, they make like more rasta, or let them put up for him body once.
Put up for your body.
As well. Me at the vessel, I think people know with me at the craze.
But you know say don't go court now. Say you don't win.
No, if you don't give a bit to be we just calm down, and never talk. If you talk them, or by fire don't catch.
Fire don't catch.
As well.
Thank you so much, sir.
God bless.
But he disgraced himself because was the level supposed to at least avoid some certain embarrassment himself by conducting this kind of election. All eyes on him. People are expecting to do well, nice and conduct the election very well, but he go there and they collect.
Now, if you catch him, you see Ãttâck chairman for street like this, only you see him. What you go do?
No, if I catch the man, first of all, I will slap him. I give him that slap, heavy one. I will let it that I train with him by taxi in America. I will blow him well. Then, first of all, before I will start asking him why he behave like that. That the eyes will close. I will blow his eyes well. But he just get lost. I don't see him, but I will let her see him.
So for governorship election with
Yes.
So as it be now, if you catch Ãttâck chairman for one corner, you meet him for street, what you go do?
I will bite her for better.
You go bite him for
better. Don't try.
Right.
We must make sure that we punish.
Just catch him for one corner.
In short, the Ãttâck will not exist again.
Ãttâck will not exist again.
You will not.
You catch him for one corner.
Yes.
Right. I know say you are not happy with Ãttâck chairman.
Yes, Mombudu, yeah. We don't...
Catch him. You are now meet him one-on-one on street. What you go do?
Well, we call him one-on-one. I think that he's an evil man because he put life of the people in danger. Because not only him, but he do it for selfish interest. For the money they gave him on another thing agreement they have did in past. But particularly in the citizen of Nigeria, nobody is happy with him. Because he has betrayed the trust that people have on him.
So let me ask you now, if you jam Ãttâck chairman for street now, what you go do?
I can't do anything to him because he has done so much things that set us back. A very setback, gave us a setback. Wicked one. we are not happy with him.
Thank you, sir.
That's what be like that.
So now, if you catch INEC chairman, you and I meet one-on-one for street where nobody did there, what you go do?
Me I go dig her out.
You go dig her heart.
Yes, because
go
they
fight
said
her.
of course they said I have free and fair election. Why they can't become? Why can't they do nothing? You tell me what to come out for Obi. After everything, they can't give us another pattern. This happens. Say they can buy win. INEC.
So if you meet and you and the chairman meet for one corner now for street, what you go do?
If the INEC, wetin I go do am, he no go expect am. I will finish him. I will never expect.
You go fight her.
I will do him many things. I would not take it easy from that man. Okay.
So the presidential election.
Yeah, the verse. Online, the verse.
Why the verse?
Why you no go verse for election where they rig like this? You vote, not wait till you.
Why you at the polling unit?
I was there. We counted the numbers. It was 300 and something. APC was 3. Labour Party was 309. Why not? PDP carry 5. Then get 5 that day.
Okay, you even know the number of fine.
I no go know now when I did here.
Okay, for this governorship election where they come now, you know who come out?
Why I no go come out? I go vote for Sim now. There's a move vote for Sim. No Sim, no network. So I did here confirm.
You are voting PDP this time around for your.
Confirm. What thing I go do now?
Thank you, God. You are not happy with the results.
I'm not happy with the
Did you vote?
I vote for Obi. Obi.
What's going to happen?
After everything, they went and gave it to Tinubu.
They give it to Abi Tinubu winner.
They declare Tinubu winner. So we are not happy.
You are not happy. So you believe that the election was rigged?
Yes, I believed it was really obvious.
It was obvious.
Yes.
For your polling unit, who won?
It was Obi now.
Obi won in your polling unit.
Yes.
So now, as matter be now, if you catch INEC chairman for streets, what you go do?
Honestly, I will get him arrested.
You get him arrested. Just arrested.
I will get him arrested, and he must be penalized. We must make sure that we will punish.
Just catch him for one corner.
In short, the INEC will not exist again.
INEC will not exist again. You will not catch him for one corner.
Yes.
All right, all right, thank you. Are you happy with the outcome?
I am not happy with it.
Welcome back. As you don't watch that video, things are happening. Shebi you don't see am. As they take talk out, how they go take give their next chairman both eye, even for bags, and say they will give them cocoa for head. As Nigeria, where you be, because I know say some of Nigeria they here. Tell me what you go do our next chairman if you sell for road. Even to number say they give you opportunity one-on-one. What you want tell them and what you want to am. May you still tell me. Share this video and drop your own opinion. For inside comment section. I see the hot.